So let's take a look at the cube. Oh, this is light. This is super light. And the shades. Whoa. It's pretty good, in my opinion. It's very airy and hollow. And it comes in stickered, which I don't mind at all. And I can feel the magnets. Let's see the magnets. And it has that dual adjustment system, which I don't know how to use. I'll just look at the tutorial for that. And the shades: dark red, light orange, dark blue, light green. It's pretty good. Corner cutting. Here's a pretty good algorithm for corner cutting. 45. Past 45. What? We're gonna reverse. Okay. From there, it looks like the cube is a little bit too tight. Not really. So this is the YueXiao EDM. Very nice box and a lot of customizations. As you can see on the table, you can change the springs, the screw, and the magnets as well. The replacement magnets right here. I don't know what these are, so I'll just put them right here. And the pamphlet, which is very helpful for solving a 3x3. But I don't think this would be anybody's first 3x3 because it's $25. And yeah. A very long pamphlet. Chinese, English. So this cube comes in stickered, which is really weird because these days most cubes are stickerless, like my YuXin Little Magic and my YuFu and my YuXin Cloud. And I was about to say my YuXin Little Magic, but it looks like my camera just fell. Whoops, my Skewb was about to fall. So this cube, it has a very hollow and airy feeling. It's very light, and that's why it's stickerless. Because they want Moyu wanted a very light cube, and this is a very light cube. And there are two strengths for the magnets. There is the weak and strong. So as you can see here, these are the magnet slots, and I have it on strong right now because I like the YuFu, and that has strong magnets. So if it's closer to the outside, the strength of the magnet is going to be stronger because of something in physics. And then if it's closer to the inside, right there, it will be weaker. I don't know the physics of it, but that's how it is. So let's talk about the springs. This is an extra spring if you break one or like lose one. So it's very cool. And this is the tool for adjusting the springs. So if you put your tool wherever these two lines are, wherever the two line slots are over here, so right there and there, you can change the spring strength, which I'm having trouble with. So here it is. Let me put it near the light. So you do, there's 8 settings, and I put it on the third one. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it will just go back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, my camera keeps on falling. And yeah, and that's the spring strength I have it on. It's on 4. It was on 1, and then I added 3 more, so it's on 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And also the screw thing, but we already know what that is. So honestly, I'm very impressed with this cube. The packaging looks really nice with this gold right here, Yuexiao EDM, and also it's in Chinese as well. Accessories box, very nice core. I like the color. The screw, some people have hundreds of these, not hundreds, but like many of them. Very nice spring thing and spring tool. I don't know what these do. These are useless probably. Extra magnets, which are pretty good. And a very nice box. So this is a very nice box. And yeah, this is my new main.